Hey guys, it's Vera Sweeney, and today I'm going to show you what I put into my suitcase when I am traveling. We're heading down to Disney World, and I just want to show you some of the basics. So, a lot of times I always pick up these little, $10 bags. You can get them at Target, and I have a million of them, and it's great because I can sort of divvy out all the stuff that I want to bring. So I don't have, I buy cheap sunglasses so they don't come with cases. So I like to just put sunglasses in one case, and then I have a really big bag which is filled with, anything that I need as far as extras. So it comes with like my Benadryl, extra deodorant, things like this. I sort of have like a hodgepodge bag that I keep with me no matter what. This could be the stuff that you always use, maybe a little bit of Vaseline, a little bit of lotion. Really big on face wipes. I actually have one that's open, but when I go away, I'm going away for 5 days. I have a daughter. My boys, I like to just clean their faces throughout the day if we're sweaty or whatever. I keep one of these in my bag. So whenever I'm going on vacation, I sort of buy a 2-pack and I pack it with me. Now, as far as hair care is concerned, we're going down south. It's going to be humid. It's going to be hot. I'm probably going to have my hair in a ponytail every single day. But just to be safe, I bring a flat iron and I bring a blow dryer with, of course, a brush to comb your hair every day and then a brush to blow it out. This is my makeup bag. I use this every single day. This is not for traveling. This is just all my makeup. I love makeup. Medication. So I suffer from migraines, and I'm going to put this on top, and right before we leave I'm going to actually place that in my purse. I don't like to travel without that because my bags have actually been lost while we were traveling, and I need to take these pills every single day, and it was a big problem for me. They can cause seizures if you don't take them daily, so I like to just keep them in a plastic bag where I can see them and grab them. Now we're going down to Disney, so of course, let me just put them on. I'm gonna bring my Mickey ears. This is how I bring my shoes. Everybody gets their own shoe bag. It's just, just a bag that I've gotten before from previous shopping. All I'm really doing is bringing down a couple of flip-flops and one nice pair of high heels, just in case we want to go out to dinner. I like to keep the shoes sort of separated from everything else. Along that same vein, I bring 6 or 7 garbage bags with me because when we go through the dirty clothes and the mess and whatever else that we're going to do, whatever else we're going to, accumulate throughout the trip, there's 5 of us, I like to have garbage bags. That way when I put them back into my luggage, I'm not making anything dirty. And then, of course, I bring extra little bags just for the heck of it. I did a Today Show segment, and the joke was I almost look like a Dexter, how much plastic I travel with me. It's like, what are you protecting from? Pampers wipes, I bring these because while I don't have babies anymore, this is something we cannot leave without. Sticky hands, ice cream cones, things like that. I always bring a little one with me for the road. Now this is going all on one side because on the other side, this is where our clothes are going to go. So I like to put all the toiletries on one side, and I do it on the side that zipper's closed because just in case something happens to leak, I feel like I can sort of keep it into one place. And then also the plastic bags are, when I bring my shampoo and conditioner, I haven't bought them yet, but when I bring a shampoo and conditioner, I will put it in here and I will tie it up. Actually, I have some extra stuff over here that I bring along with me. This is hair care stuff. It's wet, obviously. This is my moisturizer. And then we always just bring some extra headache pills. I just tie it up again because if I do have a mess, at least it's enclosed. And I keep all my clothes safe. Now, nobody has their period, but I never travel without bringing at least some pads on the road. I mean, this always box is open, but there's like 12 or 15 pads in here, and it'll get us through until we can get to a local, CVS or whatever the story is. I always bring an extra charger. This is an Anchor, and it's really heavy. This is a few pounds. I'm sure they make a lighter one by now, but I love it because if you charge it once, it could last you like 2 or 3 days. And for me, it's worth carrying it around in the bag because I find real value in that. As far as that's concerned, I always bring my charger from my big camera. I have a professional DSLR, and I've gone away and it has died on me. So now I always travel with my DSLR. Obviously, we have iPhone chargers. I like to bring just an open open notebook, because if I, at nighttime you have any ideas, whatever you want to write down. And I also have a 5-year-old, so maybe he wants to do the character, signings or whatever that's called. I think he would get a kick out of this. This is my iPad. My iPad and my book for the plane are going to go in my purse, but I keep them on top along with my medicine, and then I'll just pop them up in my bag right before we go. And then, last but not least, little singles for when you're with your, if you have to tip the taxi, the guy who takes your bag at the end of the day, the cleaning woman. I like to just bring a bunch of singles. I only have 3 here, but we usually go to the bank and try to do what we can before we hit the road. So this is sort of our toiletries, and the toothpaste, obviously, and all of that goes in the morning of. And that's it. I hope it helps you get a little bit idea about what you should pack next time you're on your trip with your family, and I hope you have a great time. Bye.